Bitcoin is in danger of crashing below 40K.
And were you safe from this crash below 40K? Did you get out in time? Of course, that was Pablo's warning from about a week ago, right? What else did he say? And I warned again a few days ago, right? Saying that a small crash in crypto is coming. Why did I come to this decision? And a lot of exchanges, it indeed crashed below 40K just a few hours ago, right? Basically, the futures especially went below 40K on a number of exchanges. But what caused this? It's because on Twitter, I was warning that a lot of these exchanges, right, are on the other side of the trade. Everyone is going maximum long right now, right? That was a few days ago. Everyone had a lot of leverage and they were going long. And that's why we see the futures funding rate, it was red hot. I pointed out, look at this, red hot, right? Red hot funding rate. What that means is basically, you can read this. Everyone is going long. Everyone is using high leverage to buy, to go long. And guess who has to be on the short side of the trade, right? If everyone's going long, that means the exchanges are on the other side of the trade and they have to go short. And the exchanges don't want to be mostly short, right? Especially when the SEC is about to announce a likely approval of Bitcoin ETF, right? So I said, I think exchange is going to try to tank Bitcoin price to liquidate and take out all the high leverage longs, right? Bitcoin can hit support at 41.3K. That's exactly what happened 3 days ago. It bounced off 41.3K, but it can actually flush into 30K area. And that's exactly what happened today about 2 or 3 hours ago. Pablo got it exactly right. Whilst a lot of other geniuses got it wrong, like this Jim Cramer guy, right? Just 2 days ago when Bitcoin was at almost 46K, he said, Bitcoin is invincible. It's like a natural phenomenon or something. So many influencers got it wrong. It's not easy to hold the unpopular opinion, but Pablo just keeps on getting it right on these big, massive calls, right? And in my Discord, I told many folks basically it's going to wick down. I even said it's going to wick down, so place low ball orders, right? Like 20, 30% below the market. You take this, for example, this is Ethereum naming services, ENS. It wicked down if you had a low ball order, like 20, 30% below the market, and then it bounced right up, right up for like a 2x on the day. Right, basically in a matter of like an hour or so. As to where Bitcoin is headed, well, now you see, now the futures funding rates are starting to go green. We're still patches of red, so I cannot say 100% that the exchanges have finished dumping just yet. Ideally, if this was all black or a lot of green with some black and no reds or very little reds, then I would say the exchanges are finished dumping. For now, there's still a bit of reds. I'd like to see that get cleared up before I'm sure that the exchange is going to run it up again. I do think that Bitcoin ETF is 90% chance likely to get approved. 90% chance in the next few days. So I think Bitcoin will run up again. 45K minimum. 48 to 52K is my target. Okay, what happens next? Follow Pablo for more updates.